part of this journey of my channel here is to share things that I have experienced or lessons I've learned, and then also to show that I am studying and researching and trying new things as well. So the new thing that I'm going to try today is Photoshop on the web. Let me share the screen. So, the website is photoshop.adobe.com. And so this is the layout. What I did is I went on Unsplash and just grabbed some like jewelry photos, just because when I was thinking about making this, I was thinking about design that I created a while back for like a vintage jewelry store. I thought, let's make just, I guess, a 1-to-1 still and play around a little bit. I'm just going to put Mag brand for Magnolia. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is like a little too close for me. So let's see. Awesome. So command on a Mac, command minus minus plus plus. We'll bring it in and out. So that's cool. That's good. All right, so let's import from my computer. I kind of like this one because I feel like it does look kind of vintagey. Oh no. All right, so that does not keep the, or it warps it, I guess you would say. So you have to grab the edges. Okay, so I hit done. I kind of want to add a little bit of contrast to this. So layers property, nope. Okay, that's sizing. Okay, so here's adjustments, splits, levels, cool. There we go. Yeah, I like that. Oh, well, that's kind of neat. I mean, if you wanted to like have that effect and like brighten it, like if you're putting text or something there. Cool. I kind of have an idea in my head, so I'm like trying to just make it a little bit darker so that, oh, okay, Command C works. Oh, that'll, because I hit Command C twice and it didn't go back to the second edit, so let me fix that. Levels. Okay, here we go. It's dark. And then I have a logo that I created. So let's go back to drop down menu here, import. Here it is. So just a reminder, like we can't like pull it from these edges, Command C, because it will warp it. So you have to go on the corners. Okay, so let's say I wanted to add like a little fade here. Let's go with, actually not black. I would want to use like the darkest color. Maybe like that. Oh, let's go back to that one. Okay, so brush. Okay, cool, gradient. I want to see if it will keep it straight. No. I guess we could do maybe like a, oh, here we go. You multiply, that'd be cool. If I wanted it opened a little bit more. Okay, where did my logo go? I don't know where the logo went. Guess, do I have to add it back in here? So let's go to port and then computer, put my PNG back. There it goes. All right, let's say we wanted to do something like this. And then Maybe we could do, sorry, so the designer is coming out of me now. I'm like just playing around with stuff. Maybe we could call it like a certain collection. So let's see if we can add text. We'll just say the collection or something. Okay. Right. Let's see if we can find fun font. We right click. Yes, lock layer. Awesome. Okay, so we can lock that layer so that guy won't move. Okay, I want to see like if I wanted, let's say I wanted to duplicate this and then turn it, duplicate it, and then let's turn it. So like if I wanted to have it here. Okay, this is kind of cool. I would say put it here somewhere just on the side. Like the layout of this. Awesome. All right, let's see. Let's save it. Save as. Let's do the collection. Magnolia. Save. And then what if we wanted to, I guess we would do export as. Awesome. Okay, we'll do like a PNG or JPEG. Let's do a JPEG. Whoop. Oh. JPEG. Yes, use JPEG. Photoshop on the web. That's pretty cool. I think that came out really nice. Yeah. Now you would have the collection post ready to go. Okay, so yeah. I mean, of course, there's going to be some learning curves for a few things, especially for me. You probably saw me struggle a little bit, but I would say, yeah, this was pretty cool. Not bad, not bad. All right. See you guys later.